5 minutes? Why don't you leave us 5 minutes?
Well, because otherwise we don't forget about it.
Oh.
All right, we'll be right back, ladies.
And we're gonna do is no wipe top coat. And this is so gorgeous by itself already, but if you want to add something fun on it, you put the heart in there. I just bent the heart already. So you can have a little heart there. And I'm using Scarlet Red and Ocean Blue to add on. See, there's a lot going on this, but I really like it.
Do you know about which you like first?
It's Canadian.
Yeah, it's Canada Day.
Canadians Independent Day.
Maybe we can do something red and white for them too.
Are they doing it in a red and white?
Alright, everyone, we're back.
Thank you so much for coming back with us. I just don't want to cover a lot of them.
Hey, Lyras.
Hi, Lyras. Thank you so much for tuning back in. Can you open the other, close this one?
Yeah.
Hi, Fire. Good as nails. Hey, Nene. So I'm going to pick up some of my beads. Using ginger brush on the other end.
Alright, bring the whole tray over a bit. That worked.
You can have either way. You can pick it up with your ginger brush, or you can pick it up with your picker. This one you can pick it up like more than just one bead at a time. I just put them randomly between the hearts, all the hearts. If you don't want it, you don't have to put it in. You feel like I'm quiet today. Maybe because I'm focused. I know it looks cool. So I did put the frames on, and when we're waiting for the light to get back in, I did put the hot frames from the same collections of the metal arts that I'm using. Try to place the crystal close, tight together, and then you can get the metal beads. You can use it in silver, you can use it in rose gold, or is yellow gold, or obsidian. I think it's all of them look super cute. Also, if you want, you can get the crystal, like the other ones, the other nails I did crystal already, so I'm gonna just using the beads, this one, all the beads, and you can using, if you want crystals like, you know, kind of fading down, you can do that as well. I can't wait to see your beautiful creations. Looks good. If we're happy with this, we are going to cure. I'm gonna adjusting a little bit before we cure. Before we completely cure everything. Great. All right, so I'm gonna cure this one. Hi Nuna, thanks so much for making it back. Alright, so I'm gonna cue this one.
Show the nail.
This one, it looks cute. This first nail we did for crystal placements, and we're gonna do all precision glue together, okay? This one, crystal, not crystal. Are you a fan of crystal or no crystal? I don't know. I like them both though.
No, I think you stop being a fan of Shakespeare.
Why?
Too crystal or not too crystal?
Very crystal or not too. Like, I would hear that from Mika too. Too crystal. Too sticker or not too sticker. Move this one away. Great, so this one,